So we got the bumper on and everything's working as it should be. Just wanted to show you the final product, show you that I finished it. Here's the wrapping, it's all secured in there. Here's the plug. And you know, it'll tail light, this is the running lights. Reverse lights, left blinker, right blinker, the hazards work. And then the brake. And then I got these LED marker lights here. I thought they were pretty cool. I got these LED marker lights. I thought are pretty cool. I just need the nuts. The nuts that you have on your factory ones are a little bit bigger. You need. I'm gonna try 1/4 inch. See if that works. But the factory ones that I got won't bite on it. So bite on this plastic stud. But yeah, that's it. Hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe.